Hi, welcome to the All Cases here. In this video we are going to talk about the top best keyboard cases for iPad Pro 12.9 in 2022 you can buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. There's a lot of controversy about whether the iPad Pro can actually replace a computer, but the bottom line is that it depends on what you need to do with your PC. For many of us, the iPad can handle everything we need and more, especially with a 12.9-inch iPad Pro screen real estate. A solid keyboard is one of the greatest iPad Pro accessories you'll need if you're going to be doing computer things. I have prepared this video guide for the best keyboard cases for iPad Pro 12.9, so let's get started. 3. Zagg Pro Wireless Keyboard. In addition to providing a superb typing experience, the Zagg Pro Keys has some advantages that other keyboard cases do not. When you don't need to type, the case detaches from the keyboard arrangement, allowing you to use simply the protection. Its keys are lighted, and you may change their colors and brightness settings. It can also couple with two devices, such as your iPad and phone, and switch between them as needed. Dedicated iPadOS function keys allow quick access to frequently used functionalities, and an Apple Pencil holder makes it easy to transport the pen. Although the Pro Keys is larger and heavier than other competitors, the extra bulk isn't too noticeable, and it adds usefulness. 2. Logitech Combo Touch. Logitech's new iPad Pro keyboard case is a larger version of the company's Combo Touch case, which is also available for smaller iPads. It's equally as effective. The detachable keyboard and trackpad are adequate, however the trackpad is much smaller than the massive Brydge one. The extra row of function keys for volume, screen brightness, play or pause, and other useful shortcuts, similar to the Brydge keyboard, is extremely useful. They are absent from Apple's Magic Keyboard. The responsiveness of Logitech's keyboard is excellent, but the design necessitates sitting at a desk. The bottom connecting style, like Microsoft's Surface tablet keyboards, will not operate in a lap. The standalone case provides the best protection of the three. The rubberized covering should provide some protection against bumps. The adjustable rear kickstand can also be used as a viewing stand for family Zooms. Because of the case's more versatile design, you may fold back, or remove, the keyboard for non-typing use, such as sketching with a pencil or reading, without having to remove it from the casing. 1. Brydge Wireless Keyboard. If you want the trackpad for cursor and multi-touch control but don't want to pay Apple's rates, the Brydge Pro Plus is a good option. The solid design is unmistakably reminiscent of a laptop. You may change the viewing angle from 0 to 180 degrees. The keys are illuminated, and the brightness may be adjusted to 3 different levels. The keyboard supports Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity and has a battery life of up to 3 months on a single charge. It's worth noting that your iPad isn't in a case here. The brackets on the keyboard secure your iPad Pro. When you're not using the iPad, the keyboard provides front protection but no back protection. The trackpad is what truly distinguishes this keyboard from other third-party keyboards. With a trackpad, you can fully utilize the iPad Pro and iPadOS. In Slide Over, you can easily switch between apps, use the app switcher, and activate the dock, control center, and apps. So guys, this was the video about the best keyboard cases for iPad Pro 12.9. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.